Good morning, Anishinaabe students. Today we're going to review short A words. Short A sounds like the A as in apple. So words that we are going to look at today are a word like you can see here on the word k-a-b, cab. Do you hear the short A there? And it says short A on this page. We're going to review these words. We're going to segment them and practice them a little. And we are going to look at the words and, go, the. Okay? Those are sight words. And, go, the. If you look for the cursor on my page right here, you can see it. Okay, so let's go through these short A words quickly. K-a-b, cab. K-a-m, cam. K-a-n, can. This one's a little bit more difficult. K-l-a-s, class. Let's do that one again. K-l-a-s, class. Okay, then this word says d-a-n, Dan. H-a-z, has. M-at, mat. P-at, pat. P-l-a-n, plan. R-a-g, rag. Now we're at the top of the third column. S-a-m, Sam. T-a-p, tap. V-a-n, van. W-a. This is a funny word because it has the sound, so it has a schwa in it. Wash instead of, because if it really was a short A, it would say wash, but the word is wash. I don't know if that's because of our Minnesota accents or because, but I think it's more of a schwa sound. So, wash. All right. These are the short A words that we are reviewing for today. Let's read them quickly now. Cab, cam, can, class, Dan, has, mat, pat, plan, rag, Sam, tap, van, wash. And we're going to be looking for the words and, go, the in the book Mr. Dan Has a Plan. So today for your assignment, I'm going to have you read Mr. Dan Has a Plan and record it. I want you to read these short A words to me as well. It's very important. Okay, good luck. I know you can do this. You've got this short A, no problem. We've got it down. We'll see you later. Bye.